Joe here, Southern Coastal Cooking, coming at you tonight. Tonight I'm cooking something really special. I agreed with my wife, during this quarantine thing or whatever, we're gonna have some carbs. And if we're gonna have some carbs, we're gonna have some really good ones. So tonight we're gonna make a Langostino pasta, like an Alfredo almost style sauce with some creamy fettuccine, with some creamy Alfredo with fettuccine, langoustines that I got at Costco. It's really good. Some of this new Heathrow stuff. He's got some new rubs. He sent me garlic, butter, simple citrus that will go well with this. Yeah, it's going to be good tonight, y'all. So hold up with me here and let's make some of this. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to salt the sauce. Okay. Again, it's going to be a super homemade thing. This is going to be, again, we're all kind of sheltered in place here, trying to as much as we can. So I got a little pot here. And I've got just a jar of an Alfredo. This is just kind of what I'm going to use as a base. All right, y'all. This will just help us. Now, I take that Alfredo there, take the jar and set, where can you see it? Right there, how about that? Now I'm going to take some heavy whipping cream and I'm going to fill that jar back up. Okay, so half and a half here. Well, not half, this is heavy whipping cream. I'm saying, half sauce, half. There's a whipping cream here. So we'll fill it up about 3/4 of the way. And we'll give it a shake. And we'll put that in there, okay? Just, there we go. Boy, I'll get the extra sauce off the side of the jar. Plus we'll get that cream in there. Alright. With that. And then I'll put one more dollop in there of just cream. Alright. You want to have plenty of sauce. Now I've got some little ingredients that I want to put in there. I'll show you what I got. I got about a tablespoon of garlic powder, a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of basil, a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, and a teaspoon of my buddy Tango Joe Tango Spice right there. Alright. Yeah, it's Italian, Roma's burning seasoning. But all that seasoning in there. I'm gonna find me a whisk somewhere. Alright? Take that whisk. We'll whisk this in. Alright, see how thick that is? That's good, that's good, that's what we're talking about. So, got that there. Now, I'm gonna grab something else. Got about a little 8-ounce thing or whatever, 10-ounce thing, cream cheese, almost the whole thing. I'll put that down in there, trust me. And then I'm gonna put another half cup or half a jar of this cream. All right, we'll let everything just marinate right there. All right, y'all, now we're about to add some of the Heathrow's new garlic butter seasoning. I'm also gonna pick this sauce up. I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of it. Get that garlic butter in there, and that's what I am talking about. It's gonna give it a pop. Really good, but I want to add one more thing. I want to add some Blazing Cajun, amazing Blazing Cajun from Heavy Made Products. It's a little Cajun seasoning to this. This is for my flavor, my taste. So that's probably a couple teaspoons. I want that, just throw some pop off in there. This is good. That's what I'm talking about. Creamy, delicious sauce right there for these langoustines, y'all. Oh yeah. All right, y'all. Add just a little bit more cream. We're gonna set this aside, let this simmer. We're gonna get on to cooking the langoustines. Okay, so now we got my big pot out here. My big blue. Put a little bit of beer in there. Okay. Just a little bit. And the reason I do that to reconcentrate. Just love this oyster bed brand seasoning. This is the Cajun butter seasoning. So we'll put some of that in there. Gotta have some of that, but it needs some liquid or something to kind of come back to life. Everything dehydrated in there, so we got that. And then I'm gonna take some good old Heathrow's garlic butter. I'll put in there as well. So It's gonna be a beautiful little thing right there. All right. Then we'll run the fridge real quick. Stick of butter. Turn on medium-low heat. Let that butter melt in there. Then we'll come in with the langoustines. All right, y'all. Now, as this butter and everything's melted, I got 2 pounds of wild-caught langoustines. Langoustine lobster tails, what they call it. So they're basically already cooked. We just want to saute them in this butter. Get it done. Look at that. I call them mega crawfish. Look at them tails. Y'all come zoom in on this. Oh yeah. That's awesome. Just let these saute for a minute. All right, y'all, so I stir these around just for a minute. Let's just kind of want to get some of this butter on them. Now I'm about to pour that sauce back in here, cream sauce. And I'm just going to let everything party. Marinate together. Let me heat the cream sauce up just for a second more because I kind of had it down on cool. Yeah, let it get kind of to a simmering, I'm sorry. And I poured in here on top of these langoustines, y'all. Wow, it's going to be a flavor party. All right, y'all. So, come on up here. Move you in. Let's get to what's going on. We got these heat up a little bit. This is starting to boil underneath there. Got the sauce heated over here. Go ahead and pour that into there. Oh, that luscious, wonderful cream sauce. Going down right in there with those langoustines. Everything's going to be quite wonderful. That's what I'm talking about. Let's just let those simmer right there together. All right, y'all, now I'm about to cook some fettuccine throw in there. Let's just put that on there. Let that roll. One more thing, this is totally optional. I'm going to add to the sauce with everything. It's some baby sweet peas. It's just something my grandma always did with these cream sauce pastas, and I like it. So let's go ahead and try this. Let's get a scoop of this goodness down here. So it looks magnificent. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. It's a little sauce on there. The langoustines. Let's get me a little more sauce. That's what I'm talking about, y'all. That is a beautiful dish. We're gonna give this a try. I gotta try it out of this little taster. That's my wife's plate, and I just, with all that's going on, I don't want to be sharing, you know, just looking out for her. Not saying I'm sick or anything like that. It just, you know, we're taking extra precautions, y'all. So anyway, so we're gonna try this. Smells absolutely wonderful. Oh yes. That is amazing. Sorry for the slurping. Oh my gosh. Baby lobsters. Langoustines. Cream sauce. Heath riles, butter, garlic seasoning. Oh, along with the other stuff. Just wow, flavor party in the mouth. Thank y'all so much for joining in with us tonight. God bless y'all. Y'all be safe out there. Take care. And I'm going to keep the videos coming, y'all. Thanks again. Look out. Appreciate y'all.